Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again, and let's start the day kicking off with a hike and with a workout and a yoga move. So come on guys, join me and feel free to hike with me and work out with me. Yahoo, let's keep going. Well, let's start climbing up this kind of thing. Well, I'm going to say that my legs will suffer in here because there are lots of things going on around in here, and it's not totally cleaned up with these weeds in here. So I'm sure later on I've got this itchy, pinchy. Look at the sons. They've got a very nice life, and this is what we're going to do. This is what I love doing. Well, yeah. It starts getting hot actually in here, so just before the total summer is coming, I have to start this kind of thing, because if it's gonna be very hot, then it's kind of very difficult, and I don't like to have this kind of heat stroke in here, things like that. So yeah, that's how it's gonna be look like in here. Keep moving on. And if you're aiming for a firm body or kind of a little bit muscles in there or muscles in there, let's do a core workout, and I love it because it helps me to build muscles and it helps me to strengthen my core and things like that, and it's just such an amazing one. So keep trying, and eventually you'll get there. Invested props for my exercise, for my yoga workout or things, and as you notice, I'm not doing this kind of hard workouts in the gym because I prefer to do it outside freely, so it's kind of comfortable doing it by myself. You might think about my safety in here, or you're going to say be careful about this kind of thing. Yes, I always think that's the first thing that I'm going to put in my mind before I'm going to do something else. So I always think of positivity in here. It's just like, I've been very inspired by people doing this kind of workout somewhere else or something like that. I've got a lot of people that I followed in Instagram that makes me pump it up for a day. And yes, if you've got that kind of energy, you can do your exercise alone outside everywhere, and you can, who knows, you can spread the good vibes from within, and someone's going to follow you as well, like people that doing it outside in here. So these are fun bits of me, and doing a little bit of this kind, it will help me to stay like kind of peaceful and have this kind of healthy lifestyle. So yeah, let's keep digging up. It's kind of very difficult to go from here to there, from places to places, to just shoot a video or kind of going to talk about how grateful you are to be a part of this journey, and how grateful you are that you've got lots of virtual friends to support you during all this kind of things. And I myself saying thank you very much for always being with me during this journey. I may not going to shout out your name, but you know who you are, because if I'm going to shout out, then I'm going to miss someone, and it's gonna be a disaster for me. So thank you, truly appreciated all your support towards me, your critics and your comments and your good vibes, and everything is kind of it's kind of inspiring towards me. I do all get those kind of thoughts you have towards me, towards my videos and things like that. I may be kind of a bit bully sometimes, but it's just part of being me. But I'm trying not to get there too much. But today is such a kind of nice weather that I went outside and struggled to find the focus, and struggled to find the place, and struggled to find the lights to get this kind of video. But well, it's kind of very hard to be a videographer by yourself, that no one is going to take a video for you. So well, let's keep digging it up, my friends, and hope you had a good day every day, and hope you have positive every time on your mind, and hope you're always well. So somewhere along the way we're going to bump, somewhere along the road we're going to bump as well. So now I'm going to thank you very much, and thank you for everything that you've done to me, and being a company, and being a friend, and being everything in this wise world. So thank you. May God bless all of you, and may your channel go a long way as you reach in there. Thank you very much, and this is Digna's Adventure saying namaste to each and everyone.